Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Kayla. I don't know why I feel like my lights are so dim right now. I'm using only my ring lights, so I don't know, it's not giving me what I wanted to give, but it's okay. So the wig that I'll be installing for you guys is from Premium Lace Wigs. This is one of my favorite hair companies. I love them so much. So I'll be installing their water wave unit today, and I did get this here in a 24-inch. Hair texture is a water wave texture. Hair color, natural color. The lace color is a medium brown. And I like that they gave you the option to choose what kind of cap construction that you want. So I did choose a HD 13x6 lace front. Now on their website, it does give you the option to choose whether you want a 13x4, again a 13x6, or you can even choose a 5x5 lace closure. So I like that they gave you the option to pick exactly what you want. All right, so this is what the unit is looking like. Like I said, you guys, the hair on this is super silky. I know you guys can see it through the camera, like it's super silky. And yeah, so for a unit like this, I would definitely do like a no part. I just want it to be, you know, flipped over. So your unit itself does come somewhat customized. I'm not gonna say it's the most, as you guys can see, the hairline is not too thick, so you can definitely get away with not plucking it too much or not over plucking it. But I do want this to look like really natural, so I am gonna go in and pluck some hair, honey. Like, I'm gonna pluck it. Alright, so while we get to plucking this hair, let me just talk to you guys a little bit about the hair exactly and how the hair held up for me. So I have been wearing this wig for 3 days now. I have not removed it since I did my install. And you guys, this hair has been holding up so amazing. So the first night I wore it, I was so impressed. I got a lot of compliments on it. The hair did not frizz back up or anything. And I like it because it doesn't get big or puffy. That's something I really like with this unit, is that it really does not get puffy or frizzy or any of that. So day 2, I actually did not put any products whatsoever in this hair. I did go to the mall and I was getting so much compliments on this hair. And the thing is, like, it's obviously a water wave texture. For it to, like, some water wave, you do need to, like, put a lot of water in them and just a lot of products for them to look nice. This one, I didn't do nothing on that second day. I just left it as it was when I woke up the next morning. And yeah, I got so many compliments on the hair, so I really, really like that. Day 3, I did go back in and add some more water. You know, drench it in some water, add some products to it for it to, like, look back nice and whatever. But yeah, so I would wait for 3 days straight, and you guys, I had no issues with the hair. Very minimal shedding. Literally, you guys, like, the hair is amazing.
Body nice. See, I got them here, them are moving right. See the girls, them a got me hypnotized. Them a make a bad man feel alright. Yeah. Man, I tell her me she go low. Say you gonna get me when I'm all low. Man, I tell her me she go low. Bad man, I put you in a photo. Count down, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me on a loop now. Go now, anywhere you wanna go now. Bad man, me a put you on a first class. So baby, what you gonna do? Calling all your friends when they come through. So you really your number one I control. So you really meant for the girls when they come through. Come through. Bad man, say she want, say she really want, say she try to really want. Calm down, take it slow. Say the girl, let me come in on me yard, them a give me low. If you tripping, let me know what you really want. Is it riding with me or you really dirt? Them a girls, them a tell me that you really not. Make up your mind, let me know if you really got. Original Batman. Turn up the vibe. Batman, 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 turn up the vibe.
Yes, baby, here. I did that. Okay. Ooh. This hair is gorgeous. It is definitely a vibe. I actually want to wear this hair all night and see how it holds up, and then whenever I'm editing this video, I'm gonna tell you guys like throughout me installing the hair just how it held up. So definitely listen like throughout the early scenes up in this video when I'm installing it, how the hair held up, because I want to wear it tonight and see, you know, like what it's given and all of that. I'm really impressed with how silky the hair texture itself is. So this is some Brazilian hair, but like it literally feels like some Indian or some Vietnamese hair. That's how silky it is. I really like it. I did get this hair in a natural color, so like a 1B. The hair length, like I said, is a 24-inch. The hair length is a 24-inch, and it does reach me to like under my boobs. Again, it is curly hair. You guys know curly hair do shrink, so you will have some shrinking. To me, it is pretty long. Like if I was to put the hair down in my back, it reaches me to like my lower back. So that's what the hair is looking like when I'm standing. Can you guys see that? So yeah, this is the hair. The install was pretty easy to do. I actually did not have to like pluck out too much hair to make it look natural. Like the hair does come somewhat plucked. I feel like it's mainly plucked like only in the center though, and then it just forgot all about the ends, but it's okay. I did go ahead and pluck it myself. But yeah, it wasn't like too hard to pluck or anything like that. But really minimal plucking. Also, I'm not getting any shedding or any tangling from the hair just yet. Again, you know, it's curly hair, so eventually it will, you know, it'll just start doing its own thing. But for right now, it's definitely holding up really well. I love the curl pattern. I love everything about this hair. The color of the lace itself on this unit blended right in with my skin. You guys see I did not have to add any foundation or any powder to this unit. Like the lace just matched my skin perfectly. So I did get this lace in a medium brown. It definitely was like the perfect color for my skin complexion. Yeah, so far you guys, I'm really loving the hair. If I was to rate this hair out of 10 right now, I'll definitely give it a 10. The hair is beautiful. I'm definitely here for the wet vibes. I love a wig that has like no part. I don't know why. I just feel like this type of wig fits my face the best. And yeah, so yeah, definitely check out Premium Lace Wigs. They do have very affordable units, you guys. I'll have the links listed down below to where you can purchase this exact same unit. All the specs and details also will be listed down below in the description box. Honestly, I'm not too sure whether or not I have a discount code for them, but if I do, I will leave that listed down below as well. Definitely check them out. I will leave their link listed down below in the description box. Details, all of that. If you guys did enjoy this video, definitely give me a big thumbs up. How are you guys feeling this hair? What do you guys think of the look and all of that? Comment down below, let me know. And as usual, I will catch you guys in my next one. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Definitely hit that subscribe button so you will not miss any of my uploads, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.